Hi everyone, I'm so delighted to have you here. Welcome or welcome back. I hope you're all having an amazing day or night. Today, come and clean and decorate with me our main dining room with the help of Shein. Shein has sent me some of their beautiful home pieces like these pearl iridescent plates and matching table napkins and table rings, which you will see later on in the video. These products have been with me for a while now, and I finally found the perfect way to decorate and style them for our dining room table. I wanted to make everything match and come together to blend with these plate settings as my inspiration for today's video with everything that I will be using to decorate this dining room in full glam. I will provide everything that I can provide that I have used to decorate this dining room on the description box below. If you want to see how I've cleaned and decorated this dining room and for some extreme glam tablescape ideas, please continue watching this video till the end. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoy and get tons of glam inspiration ideas. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope you enjoyed this new dining room update and was able to get some ideas on how to also put a touch of glam in your dining room with what I have shared. Don't forget to show some love by giving this video a huge thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, I hope you do so. I would love to have you be part of the glam family. And for all my oldie but definitely a goodie, beautiful glam family that has been with me since beginning, thank you so much for being here and for always showing your love and support. I always appreciate you and are grateful for you. Have a blessed, beautiful day. God bless you all abundantly. Bye!